After members of the White House staff tested positive for COVID-19, there are some questions tonight over whether our local elected leaders should also be tested. CBS 2's Alice Gaynor has more on that.
Mayor de Blasio says he has not been tested for COVID-19.
No, I haven't been tested this whole time.
This despite visits around the city, including to hospitals.
There's not a regular testing protocol. There is devotion to trying to be careful. We have a skeleton staff here.
The question came up at the mayor's virtual news conference today in light of the news that one of the president's personal valets and Vice President Pence's press secretary have both tested positive. The vice president said he and the president would now be tested daily. New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy's office says he was tested once after meeting with the president at the White House, and it was negative. Governor Cuomo's office did not get back to us. We asked CBS 2's Dr. Max Gomez whether or not the mayor should be getting tested.
Testing the mayor isn't going to change whether or not he gets infected. That's governed more by social distancing, wearing masks, gloves, not touching your face, etc. But if he or someone around him in that skeleton staff does test positive, then that would argue for quarantining him from anyone else to keep him from spreading the virus, either to his staff or to the public, such as when he visits hospitals.
Mayor de Blasio also added that he believes there has not been a need for testing on a greater level at City Hall. Alice Gaynor, CBS 2 News.